Codex just dropped plugins, a new way of installing skills, apps, and NPC servers all together. So for this, you have the Codex app, CLI through Dash plugins. You can use them locally. You can install a local plugin manually. You will have a new marketplace for Codex. And here is the plugin structure itself. So for you to create your first plugin, you just need to create a folder, add a skill under it, then follow the plugin local rules. So let's show this in real use. Let's go for Codex, and first we'll start with the CLI, and here you can type plugins. The one for Stripe I already have installed, and it installed two new skills, best practices and upgrade Stripe with no MCP server but an app instead of ChatGPT. And let me show you how to install one. You're just going to type again plugins, let's say pick up Canva, install plugin, and that's it. You then can install the app itself on ChatGPT or skip the remaining app setup. And now you have Canva with the skills here that it is using, and you can invoke it just by typing Canva. As you can see, I did a model for Stripe right here, in which I used it to audit my Stripe integration, and it just went through whatever I had on this demo page. Like just invoke it with $, and type Stripe as a plugin or directly the skill under it. So it would be $Stripe, Stripe best practices, and whatever you make. Now for the Codex app, you will have a new button here, right under new thread and automation. You will just pick up whatever plugin you want. In this case, I will pick Cloudflare, install Cloudflare, and you get prompted this message, press on continue, and that would be it. After that, you can remove it from here or try in the chat, and you'll just see here, you can tag it and just say configure it, or tag it by @Cloudflare and say deploy my website. So that would be it. The new plugins have just been released to Codex. I want to know and see how this will take shape and if it's going to become as popular as plugins on Cloud.